Use the product label dilution instructions exactly as your primary protocol for all-purpose disinfectant cleaners. For an office cleaning business, the first step is to read and record the manufacturer dilution ratio and any contact time requirements, because labels are legally binding directions that specify effective concentration and exposure time. Train every team member with a simple checklist that shows step-by-step mixing. Measure with marked dosing cups or calibrated pumps, add water first if the label requires it, then add concentrate to prevent foaming and splashes, and always mix at the recommended temperature range. Keep a written dilution chart posted in the chemical storage and near mixing stations that converts ratios into common container sizes so staff can pour directly without calculations. Use closed dispensing systems or pre-measured single-use packets whenever possible to reduce measurement error and skin exposure. Verify concentrations periodically with test strips or portable colorimetric kits matched to the active ingredient to confirm the correct parts per million or percentage are achieved. Document every batch mixed, who mixed it, and the results of any concentration checks as part of your standard operating procedure. 3 common mistakes are relying on memory instead of written instructions, using the wrong water hardness or temperature, and failing to monitor concentration over time. When people rely on memory, they often dilute incorrectly, so post clear labels, provide training refreshers, and require sign-offs for new staff so everyone follows the same steps. If water is very hard or unusually warm, it can reduce efficacy or change required amounts, so test your facility water periodically and follow manufacturer guidance about adjusting ratios or using softened water. Not regularly testing concentrations lets solutions drift out of range, so schedule routine checks with test strips and remove and recreate any batch that fails to meet the labeled concentration. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to cleaning, maintenance, and renovation projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where professionals and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and discuss practical dilution and chemical safety practices.